join us as we go through November's vlog. Welcome back, everybody. My name is Tom. This is vlog number 4, I think, and this is for the month of November. So if you not noticed, all colors showing up, so that should be happening around your area this time. Watering at this point in time, they're dialing down. I'm waiting for some of these leaves to harden off and die off and kind of leaf off before I start trimming them. Great time for you to wire junipers, evergreens is a really good time to do it. Slower season, it's a little getting dark. You can tell it's getting dark pretty quick too. So you got this daylight change, and then you can have this color change, especially when there's cool evenings and warm days. You're gonna have that color change. So that's when it occur. And another thing, best thing about fall, you know, you get some persimmons. Some of your fruits are actually your fall fruit is ready to be harvested, so something to look out for. So this is kind of like the low season or the slower time for all the craziness during the summer and spring. So this is kind of a nice season, kind of reflects on your planting. With that in mind, there's a lot of stuff that's going to happen in November. So right off the bat, tomorrow actually on November 9th, Saturday, Jim Pelling Memorial Fundraiser is happening. Here's a little flyer right there for you. So I hope to see you guys tomorrow. That is happening in LA. And on Sunday, November 10th, Sensui Kai is putting the Embrace Fall at the Japanese Garden in San Fernando, which is that reclamation plant right in the middle of the valley. There's another flyer for that. And that's where they kind of filmed, I think, Star Trek. The Next Generation. They kind of use that as a backdrop for Starfleet, if I remember. Useless knowledge for you, get some people out there. And then really good place to really kind of reflect. It's a Sunday, and it's happening, I think it starts at 10 o'clock and it ends at 3:30. It's free admission, free parking out there. So if you're there in the area, great place to kind of hang out on Sunday. Now, on Saturday, the November 16th, the Fresno Bonsai Society is having their fall sale and auction. That's going to be in Clovis, I think. Here's a flyer for that right there. If you guys are going up, I'm not. I'm just a little busy that weekend. I have actually competition, so I can't be able to go. So, do apologize for that. On Thursday, November 21st, we're actually going to have our club meeting, not in the Arboretum. It's going to be at the Temple City Community Center from 7 to 9 o'clock. And we're having our CBS artist is Elle Neto Brockneck. She's from the East Coast. She studied under, I think it was Bjorn and Maro Stemberger. If you're there, I think we have a juniper for her to work on. So if you're there, please show up and have some fun and introduce her to our club. And that's pretty much ends November. Of course, Thanksgiving is that week also, or the following week. And then right after, on Sunday, December 1st, you're going to have the California Bonsai Society. They have their member sale at Yamaguchi Nursery on Sawtell in LA. So that's happening on Sunday. Be there. That's where you pick some really good deals up. Last year, don't forget, I picked up, or a couple of years ago, I picked up that California juniper for a really good price. So something for you guys to look out for. And then on Saturday, December 14th, Baikoen Bonsai Club, we're having our annual Christmas party at the Shiba's residence. Here's a flyer for that one right there. And we're done with December at that point. That's Christmas and everything there. Then our show, our 61st show, our Winter Silhouette show is happening on Martin Luther King's holiday Monday. Actually, it was the Saturday and Sunday before, on January 18th and 19th. And then, of course, get your trees ready for show at this point in time. There should be a flyer, and we'll be scouting out trees. Actually, Lindsay will be scouting out trees, so prepare to get some photos ready for your tree for submission. And of course, Also in January, at the end of January, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, on January the 31st through February 2nd, the Shohin Society is having their biannual workshop seminar in I forgot that place, but Santanella, there we go, sorry. Santanella, hope to see you guys there. It's a really good time to see everybody again in Central California. And last but not least, and for February, on Saturday and Sunday, February 22nd, 23rd, there will be the Bonsai-thon at the Hunter Library. That is our annual fundraiser for the Southern Cal Collection. That's pretty much it for November, December, January, and February. It's a packed calendar, and then it's great that you see some fall color. Talk to you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.